Flat Earth is more biblical than your religion, part 3. And God made 2 great lights, the greater light to rule the day, which is our local sun inside the firmament, and the lesser light to rule the night, which is of course referring to the moon. The moon doesn't need the sun to go through its own phases. Let's clear this up from the very beginning. This is not the size of the sun compared to the earth. Obviously, that can't be possible if the sun fits inside the firmament, but in actuality, the sun and the moon are exactly the same size. Enoch 77 and chapter 72 both vouch that they are the same size. Let's think about it. If the sun was this big and the earth is this big and the moon passed in front of the sun, it would look like this. The moon wouldn't be able to block out the sunlight if the sun is a trillion times bigger than it. But if they were the same size and the moon passed in front of the sun, this would make sense. Let's now talk about the movement of the moon and the sun, because the earth is stationary and the sun and the moon are the ones that's actually moving above the earth in a rotation east to west. 1 Chronicles 16 and 30. The world also shall be stable, that it be not moved. Psalms 93. The world also is established, that it cannot be moved. We're definitely not doing this. It's more something like this. That being said, when the sun goes down, that's just how our eyes perceive it. It's more of a refraction to a vanishing point than actually going over a curvature. I'll give you an example. And the sun definitely has to be moving if the Most High can make it stand still. Now let's go over how the seasons work within the Most High's perfectly designed timepiece.
The sun circles over the earth from tropic to tropic. So when the sun is circling at the Tropic of Cancer, closest to the North Pole, or the center of the flat earth, it is summer in the north and winter in the south. When the sun is circling nearest the southern Tropic of Capricorn, it is summer in the south and winter in the north.
According to the book of Enoch, chapter 72, there are 6 gates of where the sun moves to provide us with our seasons.